Welcome back, I'm Larry. I'll be replacing these clear turn signal lenses on the front of the truck. These are original, they're dull, they're dingy, they're cracked. The brand new lenses got from Dennis Carpenter, and very nice looking unit. Looks just like the factory pieces. Part number for it, if you're interested in it. I see it even says right there, right over left. All we're gonna need for this install is just a simple Phillips head screwdriver. Got 2 screws on each lens, and then it just comes right out. Turn the bulb housing, and it comes out like that. And that was done. See you on the next one. Take care.